All right, let's dive right into this. We've got something big to talk about today, but hold on to your seats because what we thought was a game changer might just be, well, not as groundbreaking as we expected. We're talking about Samsung's upcoming One UI 8 update, which has made its way with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. At first, the excitement was palpable. A new update, it's like Christmas for tech lovers, right? But after getting a sneak peek at what Samsung's been cooking, let's just say the flavor is a bit off. More like a quick snack rather than a full course meal. But hey, before we get into the nitty gritty, welcome back everyone. Sam here. If you're ready to dive deep into the latest and greatest from the world of Samsung, make sure you hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more juicy tech updates. Okay, now, let's talk about One UI 8. When we first heard about it, we expected a revolution. But the reality, it feels more like a gentle step forward with just a few tweaks here and there. Sure, there's a shiny new version of Quick Share that makes it a little easier to send files between devices. You got a slick new Receive tab to keep things organized. But here's the thing. It's not the type of feature that'll make you go wow. It's a nice to have, but not a must have. And then there's the Gallery app. Samsung's given the buttons a circular makeover. That's it. Again, it's cute, but not earth-shattering. But the one change that caught my eye, the way Galaxy Buds now pair with the S25 Ultra. No more annoying pop-ups from the Galaxy wearable app when you try to connect your buds via Bluetooth. It's a small win, but it's definitely a win. But wait, things take a turn here. You're probably thinking, all right, this sounds fine, but what's the catch? Well, there's a pretty major one. One UI 8, at least in its current form on the S25 Ultra, is kind of buggy. Like, don't expect it to work perfectly yet buggy. For starters, live notifications in the Now bar, they're just not showing up. And that's not a minor issue when it's something that should be working smoothly by now. Sure, this is pre-release software, so bugs are expected, but it does make you wonder how close we are to a final stable version. But don't panic just yet. If you're a Galaxy S25 Ultra owner, the final version of One UI 8 is expected to drop within the next few months. So yeah, there's still time for Samsung to polish things up. We might even get some surprise features along the way that weren't part of the early build. Fingers crossed, right? Now let's talk about Android 16, the software that's powering all of this. While the new Easter egg hidden in the settings is cute, it's like a mini treasure hunt. Most of the changes feel, well, cosmetic. Under the hood improvements from Google, sure, but don't expect major visual upgrades or design overhauls. It's almost as if Samsung is taking a backseat on this one and letting Google do most of the heavy lifting. But the story doesn't end there. Oh no, we're just getting started. Keep your eyes peeled because One UI 8 might have a few more tricks up its sleeve when the final version rolls out. Will Samsung surprise us with something amazing? Only time will tell. And speaking of surprises, Samsung might just have something big up their sleeve with the One UI 8 update, especially if they roll it out earlier than expected. That's right, we might be seeing One UI 8 hit foldables, like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, even sooner than anticipated. But how does this tie into Android 16? Let me tell you, this isn't just about Samsung's updates. Google has sped up their timeline, and that means Samsung has more time to perfect One UI 8 before it launches on their next-gen foldables. It's all connected, and that's why this update is so interesting. Could it be the start of something new and exciting? Could this be the beginning of smoother, faster, and more intuitive Samsung experiences? Only time will tell. But if the early rumors are true, we might see some major performance improvements, better animations, and maybe even some new features we didn't expect. Now, here's where I need your input. What do you think about One UI 8 so far? Is it a letdown, or are you hoping for bigger things when the final version arrives? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, I'll keep you updated with any new info as soon as it hits. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay excited, and don't forget to subscribe.